Breaking news, the internet doomed to fail over unfulfilled promises. That's what people had to read about back in the early stages of the internet when it was hard to use, it was buggy, it was difficult. Same thing with crypto. There's a crashing exchange, there's a crashing stablecoin, there's bankruptcies. This is all true, but it is absolutely nothing compared to the truth of what is going on beneath the surface. We have this from Wells Fargo advisors out in 2022, their key takeaways are that cryptocurrency users are growing globally and rapidly off a low base. Cryptocurrencies appear to be a near hyper adoption phase similar to that of the internet during the mid to late 1990s. We believe that cryptocurrencies are viable investments today, even though they remain in the early stages of their investment evolution. Doesn't it feel great to be an early stage investor along with the likes of Goldman Sachs? Look at the evolution of Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs crypto journey, 2017, Bitcoin is a vehicle for fraudsters. 2018, Bitcoin is never coming back. 2020, Bitcoin is not a real asset. 2021, a year later, Bitcoin to be offered to clients. 2022, raising $2 billion to buy Celsius cryptocurrency exchange assets. Let's dive into the news of what is going on with a lot of these assets that are still undiscovered. We have this from Quant Today. Cross-border payments in Latin America. They're diving into their partnership with LAC Chain, and this is what LAC Chain is. Formed by a consortium of Latin American and Caribbean participants, private companies, universities, and governments, LAC Chain's governance model respects the sovereignty of individual countries. We began working with LAC Chain in 2021 by providing interoperability solutions, the CEO says. Through our Overledger gateway, we enabled networks and DLTs that were once siloed can now interact. Just one revolutionary application from a high-quality asset, Quant. Here's another massive partnership out today. OpenSea is the biggest NFT exchange in the world. Klaytn is one of the biggest crypto assets in Asia because it is the asset of the Klaytn company, which is one of the biggest companies in Asia. OpenSea is excited to continue our partnership with Klaytn. We've partnered with OpenSea to expand the Asian NFT ecosystem globally. Stay tuned for news. Just one big partnership. But here is a very exciting development that came out today as well. Babydoge coin. Did you vote? Looks like there's going to be a 50 quadrillion token burn tomorrow. So there's only about 200 plus quadrillion Babydoge tokens in the circulating supply. They're about to burn 50 quadrillion. Absolutely mind-blowing. We will stay on top of that and see where this all goes. But here's a negative article. Crypto hedge funds, traders short Tether after UST's implosion. The positions are worth at least hundreds of millions of dollars in notional value over the trader set. So there's a coordinated short attack on the Tether stablecoin because these guys seem to think that Tether is similar to Luna, which could just collapse when the shorts attack. The reality is Tether is backed by real assets. The question is how much, but it could be in the 90%, 90, 95, 99% backed by either cash or government treasuries. So it's not going to implode like Tether did, but this will absolutely be a fear-mongering article. If Tether loses the peg for a short time, we will stay on top of that. If Tether implodes, there's downside all across the crypto universe. There is so much going on. So if there is downside, obviously a lot of early stage investors aren't worried, including the smart money, the big money. We will stay on top of this ridiculously exciting market.